How to watch Terabox videos without installing Terabox application. So it's pretty simple. So for that we have to open our browser and search for Terabox video downloader, and for the first, go for the first result. Now just close this. All right, now you will find this tab, or you can say search box. Just tap here, and paste your link, and then you just have to press this download button, and you will find the option. You can either play the video directly from this website, or you can simply download the video. It's very simple and it's very easy. So yeah, hope this video helpful. If this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.